the big final. Thank you so much, Yumak. That's right. Today is the big day. It's my final match. The opponent is a tough one, you know. In fact, she was last year's champion. You're right, Yumak. Doing my best is all I need.
Good morning, Neşe. Your milk's ready.
Mutlu, my dear brother. Thanks for that.
Ah-ha-ha! And some delicious baked bread is here.
And this delectable omelet is ready.
Oh, Mommy and Daddy, Mutlu, Yumak, thank you for your support on this important day.
Ha-ha-ha-ha! It's the least we can do.
That's right. We'll be in the bleachers front row.
And we'll sing the cheer song we wrote just for you.
Neşe in the final with the cool, cool tennis racket. It's the coolest that there is. She will lift the final cup into the air today.
But what if I lose? What if I can't win the cup?
That doesn't matter, sweetheart. You'll still be our champion no matter what happens.
Thank you so much, everyone, for your support. I have the best family ever.
Oh, dear. Come over here.
Hold up. I want a hug too, you know.
Ah, my dear sweet children.
It'll be okay, Neşe. You've trained a lot. You have nothing to worry about today.
My opponent is a tough one, you know. In fact, she was last year's champion.
Yeah, but this year you're in the competition, and you're really good.
Hey, sis. Look who's coming towards us.
Hello there, Neşe.
Nice to see you, Gulchin.
I wanted to congratulate you before the game. I think you've done an amazing thing.
Huh? You think so?
I had to train for 2 years to even qualify for the big final. But you? It's only your first year and you are in the final.
I really appreciate that, Gulchin.
So look, even if you lose, don't be sad. Just getting to this point is a great achievement.
What makes you think that my sister will lose the big final? My sister is... Oh!
What on earth's going on?
Neşe!
This isn't good. What are we supposed to do?
From the Earth to the Moon, from the Earth to the Moon, Neşe and Gulshin have been captured by the Shopalots. Please, do you copy? Minnie, are you there?
They don't hear us!
What happened here? Manny, wake up!
What is going on, Minnie? How come you woke me, huh?
Manny, just please look around.
What happened while we were sleeping?
The Shopalots did this, Manny.
Remember, today it's Neşe's final game match. Neşe!
Let us go, Shopalots.
This all must be a kind of a dream. Just a bad dream.
Put the medallion around your... Oh, this isn't working. These prison cell beams won't let me. My ball made it through the beams. Gulchin, do you want to get out of here?
Of course I do. I want to make it to the final game.
All right, then. The plan is we must hit that red button over there with the ball.
Piece of cake, Neşe.
We're gonna lose all the balls. I mean, we're down to 2, Gulchin.
Oh my word!
This ball is our last chance.
Focus intensely, Neşe. Picture that you've already hit it.
Freedom! Ah!
You did it!
Come on, let's get out of here. Huh? Turn around! This way, Gulchin! I desperately need to use the medallion! Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you! With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word! Commence blue beam power! Don't worry so much, Tree Shopalot. Somehow you'll find a way out. I believe in you. Come on, Gulchin, let's go.
I don't understand something. Are you a superhero or what?
Of course not. First, let's get out of here, then I'll tell you everything. Blue beam now! Huh? Why didn't it work? Help us!
Minnie, Manny, this is urgent. The Shopalots have kidnapped Neşe and Gulshin.
Ugh, I totally knew it.
Don't you worry. We'll save them from their evil clutches.
Help us!
We disappeared! I can't see myself!
Gulchin, it's okay. We haven't disappeared. We're just invisible. Pretty awesome, huh?
Awesome? How is this awesome? I can't play tennis if I'm invisible. I can't believe what is happening to me.
Gulchin, we can turn the beams to an ineffective mode. And now since we're invisible, we can escape this place with no problem.
Ah, that's a great idea, but I'm completely out of balls. We used them all, remember?
Check it out. I didn't use my favorite ball. I have that one here.
You're amazing! Hurry up, Neşe! Wait, be careful! Don't forget to focus.
Shh! I need absolute silence.
Sure thing.
Freedom!
Neşe, where are you? I still can't see you.
Give me your hand. I'm right next to you.
Wait, that's not my hand, that's my neck.
Oh, sorry.
Let's get out of here.
Wait a sec. Let's put the beams back on again. That way they won't think that we left.
Oh, we got incoming signals from Neşe's medallion.
Neşe? Is that you? Yes, it's me.
Hold on, we can't see you.
I know that. The eraser Shopalot erased both me and Gulchin. Actually, it made us invisible.
Okay, so it didn't erase you, huh? It just makes things invisible.
Where exactly are you now, Neşe? We've escaped the Shopalot Council. We're outside. Are you close to us? We sure are. Don't worry.
Wait, I see you. I mean, I detect your signal. We should be landing close to you.
Where is my sister? Tell me, did you not find her?
Hey there, Mutlu. I'm right here. I'm just invisible, you see?
Hold up. That was you who hugged me?
You guessed right. It was me.
Oh, thank goodness I'm back on Earth again, even though I'm still invisible.
I think I have an idea to make you visible.
What is it? Tell us, please. I need to make it to the tennis tournament.
Well, since you two didn't show up, the tournament has been postponed to the next week.
You serious?
So how can we be visible again?
Drinking water will do. When you drink water, the eraser Shopalot's effect vanishes.
I'll go get some water then.
It's all going to work out. Don't worry, you guys.
Here's the water you requested.
Finally, back to our old selves.
Since everything is back on track, I'll see you in the tournament next week.
Huh? Okay, see you then, Gulchin.
All right, kids. Now that that's settled, let's go eat in the garden.
I wonder what else she can do with that special medallion. And maybe that's why Neşe plays so well? That's really unfair. Help me! Huh? What? Are you trying to tell me something about the game?
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every day life embraces us.